Okay, guys, a sneak peek as it gets. This is my new listing in Dana Point on Reef Bay Place in Stratford at the Pacific. Yeah, we put in all new light fixtures, painted all the walls, added some recessed lighting, painted the cabinets here in the kitchen. Still have some cleanup to do, but yeah, this kitchen looks out to a killer backyard area. I know, we're excited. I'm not closing the cabinets because they're recently painted. We're gonna be putting in wood floors in here, a wood laminate actually. All the windows have the great shutters on there. We have vaulted ceilings, really nice. And let's go into the primary bedroom. We will be putting door handles on, not leaving a hole there. New light fixture there. Just painted everything. We're putting in new, like a plush carpet in here. I think the people are liking carpet nowadays in bedrooms. I don't know. What do you think? And again, this bathroom is pretty original, but nice, you know? So we put about $40,000 into this home to get it ready for market. And we will be putting in new floors, like I said. And again, we have an indoor laundry, which is great, newer appliances on that. And then, yeah, I'm loving, this is, again, you're getting it at like the roughest part, but it's gonna be pretty rad. We put in this new vanity, a new bath and shower enclosure going in today, tomorrow-ish. And yeah, bedroom number 3 here. So if this interests you, if you're looking for, by the way, we're like a 1.5 miles from Dana Point Harbor, along a trail, the San Juan Creek River Trail right there. And yeah, it's, this place we're gonna come to market at 135, 135. Do you want a little better view of that backyard? I can show you, I suppose. Backyard's killer. It's got great storage on the side as well. We're not gonna go out because, you know, I gotta leave some surprises. All right, have a great day, guys. Hit me up if this interests you. 135, we're at 1,450 square feet here in single level in Dana Point.